Send ya me tie bia no manage me ho. Bindudo. Never me do. Ah. Missing what so amani me nudo. Me call never me more. Well, life is special and self-realization. How they live for thyself and say you can do for reality. Keep on meditating, never give up in life. God is in it and he can never be changed. Wise up and no send no pen, no game. Your prayer and hard work will not be in vain. We learn from our mistakes, we not do it again. If I give you free, I did them feature was so right, so 93.3 of music from Kakobon there. I see a mama be mumbu, then Kasewudi Unye. I did them feature just one day, was so from my baby. Achim Oda, Achim Oda to the global world. Achim Oda, Honorable MP Dompre Safo Elvis are sending me a message. Munya. Honorable are sending me a message. Honorable incoming Assembly incoming MP incoming MP for Machu Federal constituency. I was standing in the ticket of GUM. Is it Ghana Union Movement? Ghana Union Movement. Honorable sending me a message. Or say I was Sweden. And I'll share live on Facebook. Honorable what? Honorable me feeling this time, baby. Life is special and self-realization. How they live for thyself and say you can do for reality. Keep on meditating, never give up in life. God is in it and he can never be changed. Wise up and no send no pen, no game. Your prayer and hard work will not be in vain. We learn from our mistakes, we not do it again. And once again, big shouts and come on, Honorable Dompre, Safo Dompre Elvis. Oh, this is why you are not correct. Mankind, who said you are mankind? Honorable Dompre Elvis, incoming MP, Machu Federal constituency, on the ticket of GUM, Ghana Union Movement, yeah. This Shabba said, "My can samba naba." This Shabba can say, "Even run away." Not GUM. Na nipa kra no wo di do bibi mbodi. This Shabba we oh we poto. Yazi onya 17 ni krom onya 17 na ma me ne sister 44 e ka ho asen 5 ne ma me sister 4 ono ankasa 6 and then the side chick 2 bi e ka ho 8 and then the boys bi ono wase wa team omo ye 10 omo ye 7 into 17 no and ono ankasa ne ma me ni side chick ni hwama and a football team players temple omo and omo vote man on 17 what's about on kan hwe what is all this Shabaka say that worry o chere boys no say na DSTV installation multi TV installation control IT okoto books momo BC for okoto mathematical set pen pencil ni nyina 17 votes o this year buy na tenya 17 votes yeah ewiaso ade ba go ya pa say be yodium oh, you about 2 months. Oh, no, bra. And that's how I more than. Oh, when you're now radio station, oh, you about 2 months. That's how you microphone domio, microphone domio. Me tias here na me bo me humu so say me kopa asam man e wo SD a. Me nya se me ha me nkwa ne beto. E na me nua man ne me grandmother asan. Inko. I shaba me chela ne trance. Oh, me not the shaba trance you. Ye ko shia wo simple one. Na trance na me nua. Won sampa wasem. Mpa wasem pa. Ade na wo ko ne de kabeya jai. But bomo. Oh, DSTV installation is saying nkofo ni sanu juma bomo. Books no tomom when ye mom or the shaba say come now me wa film share chromo for no mo ahemfo no frafra me ahemfo no se membra ahemfo no se me hia me now or the shaba obo be twa wodi o or the shaba say da and am see you me nua okokra da na mo to aba na kra wan kan kire me e no koy oba wa report onya 17 votes yes me nua na 17 the and am fair kire me call me investigation asaya ne maame ono ankasa ne nua ma no ne side chick 3 and na the team no and on to ma no next time so we call you this Shavaya that day 2 for you 2 for and I'm well Bosumi FM in fact the colleagues ne on no me Bosumi FM for the year 24 wajimu 24 bia 24 this Shaba men honorable just a ding honorable now or person call maybe and call your sponsor na your friend honorable your friend honorable ya or this Shavaya nati me na head of sports e Bosumi FM and almost say what there you shot there what title head of sports na near the man ya for honorable count some me nya fella no oh me nya fella no so almost say upper title 2 honorable and a head of sports that the honorable no for man no the head of sports na me see me nya no yaw sign or see on sign and I'm say mati wakonya 17 na obasa ko bi ma na wo trotro bebre bi kan ba ko kra Uncle because the side chicken is no money say when we need just someone kakra when we need only be jai it's not just a vote 3 free so o de shaba me nko me pa o ko wa tro bebre ba men kan ba ko kra ye ko ye daily dose of motivation ye ko ye crash as the bozuna ye ko ba we are still on here good music it's a Friday so I mean what else do you expect? It's a freestyle thing on radio. We are just releasing stress and we are just warming up for the weekend. A lot of activities and I mean it's going to happen on the weekend. So this is what we do best on radio. We make sure we prepare you especially on Fridays and we'll stretch our film from Monday now to be a good at the amount. What do I say? So this evening and tomorrow level 360 power. But in the meantime our daily dose of motivations. Right, so kako bonda nyomo na 80 no. Si ema wa be mumbu. Nanka se wudi ewunye yi. Ade dem fichire. Dako wonso nsroma be pray. And pay daily dose of motivations. Ode sheba de nyomo no ye ni bi asaba. Osa ye bridge cross aka ho. Bridge mbo na just yanto we are having gates cry yanto ma. Right, so one day you will wake up and it won't hurt anymore. One day you will wake up and it won't hurt anymore. So the pain you are going through now or you are going through today, if I show it to him, say just one day you will wake up and it won't hurt anymore. And to man kasa with the unye, man kasa with the asa, and that's only baby. Just one day that I could pay. When you fashion with trims, I am a pen coffee. Woman can motivate you every day. I mean, on a daily. Yeah, time motivate you. You see, there's this thing said, oh, yes, I am. What do you say? Oh, yes, I am cool. And the fashion trims say one day. When you say, oh, yeah, walk off of you on my sorry, no part, or nearly that so grass and then come in. But from nowhere, no one be and I will be so on my surround of on what sorry on Dan Jumpo say and then I had done a bravo besser. But Sadana wait me shall be connection be a Juma be BBC call be ba na brabona sa. And Yakupon family tin additional nipa. Within some few seconds, minutes, hours. No master. The fashion will trim that send Yakupon on a daily man of one. To say send Yakotogo be woman hana na yasala. Yet Diana do dear new Nibeko, or twice Beko. So one out dear chile cry than ever drew so. American what as it. And that's our call regular food joints. Now a salad now train for your turn. What queue at airports now what queue what train for with turn now so what is it? Our call verifications near the air than ever drew so. And this I want the other Maya me patrol don't overthink. I pray who to see anyone could see baby. Endra say na whatever is the governor to be successful. No, there are so many ways to be very successful, but heaven is the good. What you say? You will come be brave. Was as so bad my first way. But say what John kwanji ho obetwen omre obetwen time. What you say? There are so many ways. I mean say ye dim nkofo am pass through shortcuts near there. But Busa, I want to say a to say. So why don't you wait for your turn? Alpha Show Trim said just one day you will wake up and it won't hurt anymore. So this pain, shower so our office and it's over, finished. I mean there's no help or be any baby ammo. One that say cancer. And I'm here software preaching. Oh, yeah, Kobe community or your actor. On your Ghana or Nigerian. Why dread? What bonities are yeah, or your software sounds like actor. What bonities are oh. I never pass sorry. And I'll not take you over. Oh, we didn't matter. On the roots, card removes and one cry a movie cry. Now I say I'm not preaching be. And I'll say I sometimes it's funny in Kofoka say Emre caught me time a trip. Why not say time a trip? Why the catch us all time the trip? Oh what 30 years, also no mind fire into time a trip. Why not so time a trip? Only more time I would be. That make what I say. Who need more time out the way, but also time a trip. We want to catch us all time a trip. I go not to on far time in a mouth. On country at the age of 30 way, 25 way is on country on him. It is also a time a trip. Are you trying to beat the intelligence of God? Thank you, Munyabo Trey. Ever far what is it? My own try on right about nothing. You have to ask what the shower not there from your time. I mean, kind of message in the what's the name? Oh, this is a bridge. Well, I say I constructed bridge, but I lost. Oh, Charlie. Just me think of what you. Open cry. Chawitimo. I want to mount. Yam power. Oh, this is a Sassy or the choir bridge. Charlie Moma, yes, cement about boys. 95 on. Okay, this about your master say has he. But I show you a co-break, but you find out this about mass in cement about 95 cities. In Japan, say or 50 bags because bridge there, yeah, you advance to 50 bags. The 50 bags no over to iron rods. Iron rods, boy, saying you find the say be 20 cities, right? And you find say 20 cities. Iron rods say be wait to be about 50 fans say be on 50 pieces. Cement no. Okay. Fans say on so 50 pieces. Plus books or toy. Books no back here 10 cities. Remember back here 10 cities. Or to best for the back account. Or to books no so 500. I don't quite 10,000 100 million about. Oh, your posters fans say be about 2 cities. I no go so posters is why back 300. Until only 2 cities. Into back 5 cities. Okay, into 5 cities. Or back 500. No, I knew petty you. Plus a channel into the 500. Or your pen. Keyword than you do 13,000. Yeah. Messi for sick come I. Oh, this is worry. You do 13,000 on this year. 13,000. What the man come with the MK? Can you hear me? I'm coming back. Can you say come back? Foul. And run me when you can't was a wamba. Can't execute me. Come back. Foul. Ever since here.
So Famuko na yaru be muntum gra. Yesu bebrebe ya besim we yana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krom o. Wo ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava one herbal mixture so de malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi Omodosu nyana drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra ondi fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We dura ne Ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dudu etu a. Obehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abu main road ne so. Ubenye biso ato a 14 drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim Swedoso. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mixture peking crime FDA aje edwe nkrato yato
me pauchaw ehina kukrantu mika ejina me kwapa kwanya ma me ba wo Bright Senior High School.
Ayo madam metro na ye de ho ansna me ba ko school.
Oh fine. Yes wo mo ya de say.
Enya gro me ba no JHS results ba na nya kra. Oh school choose your kwara mpaso mo fa no. Ai na Bright Senior High School me train ka me de ne ko na ngoma.
Na wo mo ya courses ben.
Bright Senior High School all secondary courses. General Arts, Business, Home Economics, Visual Arts, General Science, Agric Science, Secretarial and all technical courses. Building and construction, carpentry and joinery, electrical engineering, automobile engineering, draftsmanship, and all vocational courses including driving. Bright Remedial School Suho, Woba Fellow Baby Pennes out in a bar on Felibio, and you want Bright Diploma College, and also all diploma programs. Nina Awa Kukrantumi at Chim Eastern Region, forms our all regional post offices, and a radio stations Pimu Frey 024-207-1185, and then 0277-147727.
Great Brace.
We surpass all.
Anokwa se kasa adoma chede mu gu ahodo a spiritual doctor of the nation Dr. Abednego ya oda Elohim treatment center no wachim kede amana de pefe ampa
ana o kan say yi nansan madam fu o ya kire he ya enya stroke ebuka dem no eje Dr. Abednego a anka ne besi nye
oyiwa ene da ho no emfirihia bebre ni a waye adwuma ame odeni ne spiritual doctor of the nation prekope treso sasunsun mu ne wedie ne nyade wanyina Elohim treatment center de se oduru on mo a ayarasa ne ye mohu nyarewa hodo a osane bi eye stroke sisi yade awon ntumi amba ana sempo enam nyadewa sawde ne asthma ana ulcer typhoid fever wo kidney ene ho abasem ana se liver jese ba ne yade bia free utisi besi unase se yesunsum wo se ye wedie ni Dr. Abednego ene etu ase
ne mane je ho kura ne se nanum bo nya din na ne ohia ne se obeje ofoda 30 cedis na waje o card 20 cedis sika bia kura ubia no spiritual Dr. Abednego be hwew no ma so aduru
oye free screening eye free massaging or the special FMM machine bia ba eye emasiatica owo bibia ye frɛ no Elohim keteke or the ayasan etwa baby a wo bia maren fi se osan e wondura ye frɛ no Abednego cobitus and afia Abednego prekese powder FD ajatum e wo drugstores bia spiritual Dr. Abednego e kira kwan no e wo kede e ho de e free druada e kopme fiada wo ye adwuma enu achi achimoda ya wada de na otwemienu so bia kofodua legend hall ya wada de na otwemienu so bia nkoko obuoba village ukwada e na otwemienu so bia ho boso enum Fred Dr. 0547 10 83 93 Elohim Treatment Center spiritual Dr. Abednego Dano say yare ho a ayar sansu ho
Obiara ne tia. When we send your police in your draw,
Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense wabeka ho.
Ahuaden immune system o Yankopon. E dia reni peduade mu sam wa ye ho ban no. Enna sa wonom Imbusaba Mesa e peja immune system na bribia. Ya yare antimiu. Sese die amanfo dodo no a na di Imbusaba Mesa do ne ho adanse ye se. Enyarewa horo nipa enyina etimi ba ne so. Ene nyarewa kese enka ya wuti ni din ene ho ka. Na oyemu ahyew nyina no. Ebo ye ho ban efiri ho. Enna wo mpa omu wanyarewa ne dada. No omunum doctor enuro no. Enum Imbusaba Mesa no a emo ahoɔden pintin ya wo munti mpo se yare ase omu ho Imbusaba Mesa ewo kanshi ene oman mu babia yeto enuro atufo mfre 0246 208496 Imbusaba Mesa police ni no edro no enkratoe yi FDA asayase
Hey, Efia, me hu wache papa.
Bra, nanse yade a me yade ye. Enya odunfo bi na che me kumi herbal tea. Anka sa brei adibone.
Ado we na aka ho asem ya na.
Ebia.
Kumi herbal tea de eboa ema enkwamo woni paduam gyan na so yie. Na sanya hoden akutie nyarwa hodo a ewo ni paduam. Eye tea bag anopa bia oyi ba ko de tun so hye mu a minute be se du ekosi dunum entem no na wanom. Enwure nso saa bra wode de wi a wo koda. Enipa do pi ananom kumi herbal tea ni bi a wodi ho adanse. Oha hodo bi e woni paduam no. Kumi herbal tea ebe afi ho ama. Shano nso se oba pemfo obi o makoda nufuo ana akoda woni mfinhia edu de adre wontimi enum bi. Obenya kumi herbal tea ebi ato e bia oton no ahodo. Kumi herbal tea Yesu Mo Herbal Center ensa no adwuma. Dr. Paul Kumi Minta da so ya no. Obetimi afre no e wo 0248 716402 0248 716402 ana 0503 785656 0503 785656. Kumi herbal tea ana eye immune system support. FDA age adwadie nkratoi atum. Yes.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sawudi Wajuma Shamisa. Mesha se, Usika Enco Waste. Inti, Metomino Manina Free Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensan Chain. Enti Sawupe Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna says, Simaf, Nina, Ubenye bi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan Chain. Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Pani B, fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, Ubenye Biatowo, Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Cheng, Owa Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, Ana 0244 566 880, Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Mimo Wakwaba eba OPK Dynamic OPK akofa OPK iPhone Type C cable abam yewo OPK iPhone cable OPK 100 cable OPK Type C cable a etimi charge Type C phones any devices bia na cable no eye papa ehun so eden eye the fastest charging cable a ye de abadwa so eye 200mm ewa eniti baby biala o plug wo bia no obetimi de a charge o phone OPK power bank yewo 50,000 and 30,000 capacity. The fastest charging power banker. Ye di abedwa so a your iPhone 100 any Type C cable e was so dada. Na so wo charge it will last 4 to 7 days. OPK airpod and no so no obetimi dia connect phone bi e wo wiase. OPK smartwatch and so no obetimi connect ama phone bia. OPK iPhone batteries and so iPhone 4 de no no. Ana afei OPK multi socket 3 USB ports e wom e charge fast. Ni cable na e ka ho no 3 in 1 e betimi a charge iPhone 100 and a Type C. OPK no chi.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Keep it from here, Charlie, yeah. Hey, yo, Tom, yeah. Nobody for show me how I live my life. Street nice show, man, sharp like knife. I think far when money come my way. Stay forever, never fade away. Babylon phone to me, boom, my babe. Gone to the top, leave that day. The speedy love, say for punk, go be no challenge, I know this. And the pound one, I been to me speedy, I know this. The 3 years I leave me out to me speedy, I know this. And the pound one, I been to me speedy, I know this. I'm gonna beat.
I'm a teaser and a pleaser, #1 bedroom love teacher. I'm a ruler, call me Caesar. When I spark to generator, I can't hear why. I don't know why now. My baby make you never lie me, me say I'm a Minnesota time. But your pussy say the kind of love I get for you day for the time. Oh, but if I see say somebody there, baby I go cry. Or if I hear say somebody there, baby I go die. If you say nobody there, nobody there, nobody there. Bad man wanna try me. They wanna come cross my boundary, but I'm protected by Jah Almighty. He make me bigger than all my enemies. Yeah, bad man wanna try me. They wanna come cross my boundary, but I feel yeah. Cause we take it over, yeah. Oh yeah, scatter bad man, scatter bad man, scatter bad man, scatter bad man. I give yeah. Oh yeah, scatter bad man, scatter bad man, scatter bad man, scatter bad man. I give yeah. Oh yeah.
Some things that surprise me. Challenge me, I say you know go fit fight me.
Angelina, you dey cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, with my Angelina.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
I see you for the club or the television, your body.
Now, you know what time it is. I'm gonna be born ready. One, check it. Now, Mojane Sada from Jaidi Pabre, Ubi to Canada, Neo Bedi Cross, Mogasi Baby, and Time Kanakuren, Kamubo, who is someone on the Kodaya phone today. Otegana, Pamadiga Nabusika, the Yabedi Way Nakoda, who will be Bida. Abuasikan, no, the Yapadevesa, who is able to find car, medical, with the one. The put you on Sachidani Panacosote, maybe the poor, the same lady, Pinana Mope, who let you make you walk into your paper, in the home, Sagadia, oh, yeah. What is America?
Listen.
Then they come
stop this and stop that. If you know my dog, you buy cat. If you know keep fly, you kill rat. Your relationship there for Snapchat. You better stop that. They cry when say you love me, baby. Say you love me. I'm gonna hold you down if you say you want me. Say you love me, baby. Say you love me. I go wear you crown if you say you want me. Some people no believe say me I go feel love you like this. So me I no believe say me I go feel fall for you so hard. Me a busy be me they I go hold you down. They I go hold you down like nobody. Love me, shake me, love me, love me, love me, yeah.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I swear I lie. Say woody me chia you don't go sorry. Forget your worry. I dey come to spend so lash your money. Where? Yeah. Yeah, bro, I am Camero. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro, I am Camero. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro, I am Camero. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro, I am Camero. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, bro,
Yeah, bro, that's right. And they are Friday. Woo! That's right. And obviously today is a beautiful Friday morning. And guess what? Video party tonight. Video party tonight at level 360 pop. Charlie, yeah, and Cambro now. 24/7 yeah party. What is it? 24/7 year party. And year party. A channel year party. Sundays year party. So weekend idea. Try level 360 pop. What is it? Level 360 pop with a bit building. That's right. So get ready for a whole new level of fun. Level 360 is the ultimate pop experience, offering a vibrant atmosphere, delicious drink, and great music. So whether you are looking to unwind after a long day or celebrate with your friends, and folks, I introduce to you Level 360 pop. Right, so the best recommendation, you can ever have from me is Level 360 pop. I tell you no lie. So only if you want to party, you really want to unwind, and also, really some stress and feel good this weekend, I recommend you Level 360 pop. Ladies and gentlemen, the best place and the safest place to have fun these days in Achimoda. Level 360 pop. It's a name radio. A honey echo. A honey wally. So when you maybe pour me coffee, I cost some honker cake. And Shabu, you cry. Yeah, go fit take this go. Oh, yeah. I just say, you cheer more Level 360 papa. Yes, you see, your new venue, no. Yan train Bronya, yan train Easter, yan train Christmas, yan train Valentine's Day, yan train occasion, yeah. Yeah, G&E, yan train Bronya. To folks, yesterday I was surprised at which people were trooping in. Yesterday on a Thursday evening, people were coming like something. It's, hi, Level 360, what's it? Joe, yaba de yaba. What you say? Yaba de yaba, yan kobe biya. Internet you may share when Friday. And she said, we team a taxi driver. Office. Maybe I will be a Juma, we be a Juma Monday to Friday. I say, all work and no play, make Jack a dull boy. And MPN, what do I say? P. Power phone, call the baby girl, tell her, say, baby girl. And they will point Juma, I want to take you out. What do I say? And that's lady you want to have a thing with, or also friend, or catch her to say, sweetheart, stay. What do you think about a date? Yeah, let's go on a date today. Funny bra. When him, then me catch her say, Oni Jabari be hono kan wantia. Me trust be bia ne kono honye romantic. But I said these days Emma here only when you fit them on a romantic date. So level 360 has that environment, has that atmosphere, has that facilities. While we feel is this is the place when I take the baby girl, I'm sure she's going to accept the proposal. But your mama fell out. Don't say I didn't say. I didn't tell you. If I call level 360 power, this is the fella I'm giving you. Free of charge. This is a free counseling. In GCKBA. If I call level 360 power, there was a mantra. We do be honorable MP signboard nisina. A cheerona. Into Endra charities fashion of framing. And I say, come now, what post was status na here fam? And I'm saying, a mantra, CAC hona. We are doing now 20 shot top one, my level 360. And tell you, May, I am expecting a lot of people tonight, and I'm sure you guys will be there. Yesterday you called me, Shawoba. Or they chose you in your car. It's when you're 13,000 acquire campaign. Or the mammy and come to the Yamiatosi. Uncle Jesse may be foul by. So level 360 and that air party. Now a china a warm-up party. Listen. Now me at the china a warm-up party. Our level 360 pop. Now warm-up party. We are warming up for the Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day na grand opening sanga. What do you say? And Valentine's Day there, Joe, yes, say baby, our level 360 pop. Mr. Package will hold the man wow person with the baby girl over. Just give us a call. Catch him. So this Valentine's Day, Mahana me the neighbor. What do I say? I want a special table, and trust me, you better serve will come up on to fresh 0540 535 777 7 AM 0540 053 5777 0540 535 777 level 360 pop, the ultimate pop experience, brah. Nah, be feeling idea. Right, so away from level 360 pop, let's move on to Doncool Ventures. Now, Doncool Ventures, a wholesale and retail of Club and Guinness products, sales of soft and alcoholic beverages, distributors of Casa Preco, Black Rock, tonic wine, Alombo K20, and also dry gins. All products are sold at lowest wholesale prices. Locate us at Sunny Star Plaza near Jubilee Hospital, Abuabo Odamani Road. For more enquiries, call us on 0555 486 990 or 0556 252 668. Doncool Ventures, a place for quality and authentic beverages. Now, Global School of Aviation Management, a trainee student, one person, air hostess, flight attendants, hotel managers and receptionists, newscast and reporting, tour guide in the courses, BTC hospitality management, tourism and culture management, airfare ticketing and reservation, media and communications. All courses are within 6 months for certificates awarded by ICM UK. Requirements are SHS, WAEC or WASI, diploma, HND, O and A level, and also degree holders. And again, you are Global Remedial College. So, person will try remediation in Bima, send identity and Global Remedial College. Yes, bra. Now, but try remediation. Yes, special vacation classes for SHS. Your Kumase, your Ben, your KNUST, Kenton Chrono, hostel facilities is available. So, friend, it was 0595 847 187 0245 052 166 055 341 679. Global School of Aviation, the only life-changing institution. Jump Trading Enterprise. Hey, we be back up at your mother and we'll be at your tomb. This is our call Jump Trading Enterprise. Just a walk on your money boy for, but a papa. Or this shall buy not to say. The boy and they say, Hono cotton in your man, yes, I Asamaba campaign hakesi awasa already. Besro called Jump Trading Enterprise, dealers of all building materials including cement, iron rods, nails, POP, plasterboards, fiber, wheelbarrows, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wires, and our frames with the marine board. Sentinel, so well, yeah, be now part of the also acquired Jump Trading Enterprise. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensambe saw too. The track wine, I watch him on my company junction. One is Jaji, and the D. Shady Moon, different 0208 123 872 0244 566 880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa. And I said, Chairman Mensa, what's the brother on your fine? What is it? A Jume rap from Pond Enterprise. One more tonton, and now we when I swear ho. From Pond Enterprise, the Uber Honoma, the partial provisions are sort to Benjamin, cosmetics and so I will spray as Unkuasa, Opec cosmetic product to be an oko from Pond Enterprise. Pacho Benyabi, Shannon, from Pond Air, the only place I watch one on my human in an abo for about the provisions. Say be out pay more per sugar, out per biscuit, open Milo, open nest to product to be a neighbor for our from Pond Enterprise. And this I will talk or ton, I'll be down for so what tons of the school, so I was Sumba Joe. But you spend less for more from Pond Enterprise, Shabra. Na ene yen embedija the chak wan watch mo dan Mandarina Hotel ase ho no ma oko old gin and bank ho so aye drink shop back wo afei wo ba che mo dan new market so a babobra ho na che se aye shop foforo no so e wo ho no ma e operate 24/7 aye adwuma de bia ni pan so ba bebre nyo wan so de bu afo come on and bra aye new market from Pond Enterprise friend was 0244 897525 0206 473 9530242 11123 from Pond Enterprise, a Jumera. Or see what the papa now only believe senior high school. Obusa question be now they be Obusa. Was say, are you sick and tired of writing Wasi over and over again? If your answer is yes, then school was over. I only believe senior high school. One more course is to say. Home economics, general science, agriculture science, general arts, visual arts, business, and after the secondary technical courses. One more AAB, I will only believe senior high school. On performance in 2022, WASI examination was very splendid with a passing rate of 98%. And you know, so what the metal banana if I try from Form 1 to Form 3, yes, now Colano. And register with us now on Trawashi no Chayupa. Yawako for Rudia Cockron to me, a poor man tem here. Fair was 0240202148 and 0247670736. Only believe senior high school, all things are possible. Afrakoma Community Hospital. Anka first na me free you and come Afrakoma Community Hospital. Now, the best hospital located at Amasamai Stadium Road in the Gan West Municipality. We have well-trained doctors and nurses with the best midwives you can think of. Afrakoma Community Hospital have OPD, lab, theater, children's ward in Yade. So if you are looking for the best health facility to deal with all your illness, then let Afrakoma Community Hospital be your first choice. And only if you are within Accra, Sanwo, Amasama, Media, Achimba thereabouts, the best place was our corner somewhere Afrakoma Community Hospital. Hey. Charlie, I did about me to the PF Manu. Hey, Raddy. About your mother, I make an antenna mean you for a man simple. About your friend 0597005963. I uncle point a guy. You see the bam to keep PF Manu. Radem das. Enti kamen kana mpesa mekacho. Ako adwenye. good to embroidery. Hey, my friend Vanessa is here. If you may be also a mama, I am. My friend not to radio, she is here. It's also on your correct. Color Studios watch him on the Liberty Transport opposite Canal Pharmacy. About your Color Studios is a bra. Now, on your editing here, they are the phone no man yet come out. If you back Color Studios and go to embroidery, over sort of the banner, the papa, so I am here. We show you pull our near Jehonia. The Color Studios and go to embroidery, watch him on the Liberty Transport opposite Canal Pharmacy. Burao. Now on Sortil. About your friend 0245276638. 0245276638. Vanessa. Vanessa, may you know one year my own. Ah. 0245276638. I'll try to we're just having fun on radio. About it's your more music. DJ Shawa Crowd, I'm ready to give you some back-to-back music.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there. This is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
Good engineering, we have decoration, and good pharmaceutical.
Baby pana, I say you like cassava, I get big cassava. Baby pana, my love for you will never die. Never die. If I oh baby, if I baby you too sweet, forever. Baby dance to the lagwaja. Make a take you to Papalata. If I oh baby, if I baby you too sweet, forever. Baby dance to the lagwaja. Make a take you to Papalata. So love is a beautiful thing. Can you they cool my temper? Love is a wonderful tender feeling. You they give me ginger. So baby dance. Everything in your eyes they give me life. Oh. I could give the love the thanks. So for the sake of love. Oh. Baby leave me the body bad. And I might give me the body baba. Oh, for your sake I could kill you. Show you love that you never seen before. I like to give me love. Now you the catch my shot.
Because some confusion. Yeah, cause some confusion. My baby, forget my yes. They are trying to separate the love that I'm having for you. But they don't know I am so into you. Now I realize how I do be your boo. Oh, but in a warfare. Oh, they're causing confusion. They're causing confusion. So my baby, forget my yes. Causing confusion, they're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my innocence. When everybody underrates you, my girl I go they appreciate you. You know I can't ever hate you. I above the more I won't elevate you. I go die on top of your matter, cause you're Libby. They make me the kaya, baby. I go die on top of your matter, cause you're living, never. They make me the kaya, baby. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my yes. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my yes.
Right, so 93.3 of 42 minutes after 11. Mid-morning, the Juma and of course, we are still live here. Warm up on the stone, we are warming up. We are warming up for the weekend. You know, bosses, baby, now we say, you call weekend here. It's all about enjoyment in the day. So, again, let me tell you about level 360 pop. So this is the new thing in town. Level 360 pop is the ultimate pop experience. What do you say? Until this evening, and then you may honey echo. You ready? You good? Okay. So and then you may honey echo. And then you may level 360 pop and echo. You see, it's a Friday. Right? It's a shower and then you bring young party, have fun, and then myself, Kobe K, DJ Keshes, and I mean the rest of the guys saying level 360 pop and you bring. We are partying to Saturday. Now Saturday and so at a real action warm-up party for Valentine's Day. So and then you bring. And a Saturday you made a level 360 pop. Please, man, you moving what they are there.
But I want to give you some love.
Rise of music. She's from Rude Boy.
If money not there, now wait till she can. She tell
a guy with a ball reason with me. That's the way just say why confused one. Seek anyone of us you should reason with him. It's not Rude Boy. Aye. Masa, on your stadium.
They beg you to do reason with me.
But these days, relationship are very scary. I wouldn't want to say expensive. Expensive there, it has been expensive since Adam. But I very scary. So there's this video circulating on social media. You see, so there's this City FM thing they used to do every year when Valentine's approaching. Last year we did same here on Ahenkan FM. Myself and Ekia Janawa and Shabu, Kusi, the rest of us, we did same. And relationship are very scary. Very scary. Hey! So there's this video circulating. I think someone will be. My share crowd my page. Me share from George Breton. And relationship, relationship. Is that home? Almost no. But percentage wise 90% ladies, I mean so my 90% are double dating. Yeah, 90%. There are things I say it as it is, and it is the facts. Bebrina boyfriends, 3. Oh, they said the tenant said, yeah, man, yeah, Dawson. What they man, they be yeah, Dawson, see him. And I'm Dawson, see. Okay, saying no money. I sent me say, yeah. What you say? I got a foolish boy, and then I pass me counts. For your body like a baby, your body but on a more serious note, relationship are very scary these days. So to call someone my serious girlfriend, I mean, there's a question mark. I mean, can't imagine most of them. I mean, this is the fact. You know what we want my young cassette no credit. I said there are few ladies how many that who say no, this is the guy I want to build a future with. This is the guy I want to be with. So regardless, whatever video can be, this is still the guy. And then they will on forever. Or in the ride or die. And the war man is one man. We had the ride or die. But yet, she has like 2 people aside the ride or die. What does it? So whether you die or you don't die, there's another person. And yes, I make country boys and say, "Bobi and Bobi, Sandy answer it here." Every boy be a coming out. Can be a coming. Boss Susanna also tell also guess yesterday. I also tell me boy. man, it is call me Taylor.
Anything for your body.
Oh, this shit by that. Yeah, shit be crying our West Side Trumpana. I dear shit me when you are some way. Hey, our rough what a side Trumpana. Where then so moon yai? Local can say girls, so they say I want to check one year very responsible. Hey, Obi di be o.
Can realize.
Oju Obi kun Obi di be o.
Be lies.
Also worry office wonya ukun o we di Obi so be o.
Low price. Me get
you.
Boys be friendly tundra.
Ya wasase so nyo be. Timi masre bone fa che say rade me pacho.
Penta timi fie kosa na
pacho pa mama mamba. Obi nya ne di ankofo de ye ankofo bi. Dia shabo di ye gazi.
O first boy oba.
That's not saying anything so that. There be.
For your body like a
NC.
Your body like a
Yeah. Obi didn't have a. Yeah. I didn't have a. Our little for a champion, as I can be. Our little for a champion.
See the way you give me better.
What do I mean more than so?
I want to marry you, Tina, me boo.
Me body Diana. Bimbo, okay. I don't have a.
When I mean your type.
Nelson, our rough for a champion. I am here. Well, you know, for her, more than that's why for that. That's why Emma's all you don't forget. Ever said that's why I forget. Hey, what shall myself for fine the color pa?
What's your man? Get a bro.
Oh, Nasanya na bichire wo gra so ya we. There we are na nya we. Okay, next in the wife one na wo fe.
Next in the wife.
Oh, one na wo fe men benye one na wo fe. And one can.
Yeah, see my baby make.
We have the skin pa.
Now all compare over there.
Hey. Ready Abidjan blue near you found.
They get the body. I don't go swim Pimo die and memo that the made them some kind crack me good sir.
And I'm so cast oh yem pin be good or the be good same man no me. Oh next no cry.
She be just a backpack.
Next is another do next na no oh your ba na next no din come up and patch na ya delete number wale. Yes ya wale. If it's on check I want to just wale pa why people. Yet your baby now don't have as you do issue.
Yeah, you see the way you give me better love. So what that the mommy and I dream.
If you have one my wale door so pal.
Google prayer was. My member
I'm saying if you have I want to over your doors. Yes, I will check out.
So you who the look around.
So you know say in kind of family way wale obusan say bra cost is say my wale o kan ho bia na won ka ho. Reverend Mambo Roko. There be yes I may be from here. Let me more Roko. But say Reverend I mean yeah. It's for Reverend Sinche. We Reverend free one my general manager Ines Sinche. What's the main ka obia it's met him aka adwempa na say minjai. Okay.
My baby make a real.
Oh, there, me move body na enko fast me and body and or did one body didn't be show Nelson.
Compared to my baby because they be low price. They get the body na
body and far grown to chain. And far grown to chain. Bibi and to chain. Nelson wife, I will say you shishim. I say me ko hu spiritual pastor bi or ya nam. I say papa.
The uniform.
Ade hwehwe wo ye ma me pa.
Some backpack cause they get some meaning on
brai. E kwamba so no fa onya na yele ware no. Oba no afo. What? Shenani. Ohun nani. Nani white. Eh, na skin so there. I say on call yimuda o. E jare kitchen crowder.
Yeah, you see the
now share Zakio so pa odi body come echi. Oh say ah because for say e ma pa mutimi shock sometimes so
no be hide omo mo pe with
me na canesi na any size crowd na wife o sing for what say Koko Ebenezer madam for Koko Ebenezer the ho tan yelo ho fe hey say 2019 me na me the best man o na me tunu fu say Kwaku na Kwaku ntine o ye mo hyehyɛ wo gra hotel room am ka chense Kwaku yan pack yan man yan call down back Oba no first year. Next year. Sa. Ya nko for bi wo fia next year, ma ware so dia nkan yomodi. So dia nkan yomodi. Ma ware next year. If you perform di kan, if you perform. Next year, when we are so they can use it.
The mess up cannot crack him gunsa.
Hey, Jenny. Hey, review.
Boy, see the so content and make me.
Sam Brazil.
Say uniform. Say the go she be kiss a backpack.
What Joshua? E control say on one lane and the Joe Hone. Oh boy. Joshua come in Jenny. Oh boy. Surahaya, Surahaya, Nancy did the birthday, Surahaya.
Yeah, you see the way you give me back.
And I want to be crack.
I get the mommy and I dream that rock.
But ages show. And I bet to be out of
the testimony.
I bet to be out to it.
What the woman?
But to be out to it.
Oh, Mama Pet would they be doing? The eyes finally.
Mauli is a bad boy. Bad, very bad boy.
To go.
Mauli.
It took me so long to.
Hey, Uncle Raymond. Uncle Raymond. Uncle Raymond. Uncle Raymond. And I want to cry. Hey. Okoto. Odun. Okoto na ni fiera se. If you all no dum kanya, obi anso so ma no. E what 10 anko father no Okoto dum kanya. Okoto ye duma ECG. Okoto we duma ECG ana. Otimi ko dum fie ho meter. Ombe pia bonti na obi a kanya no nko adan ya Okoto do bi ba fie. Okoto we duma ECG. Hey! If you handsome. Chai. And I'm Mr. Daniel Robertson. Fish. Mama who fish no shakawa black or say life or boy and no wedding ring.
Groupies and the side chicks or the
in your fashion and no wedding ring.
Guys, nobody compares.
Who fish are fish. Also our ring black be attache. I send a wife na Tom and wife say anything no Tom. No or catch baby girls to say fashion. Oh boy, your fashion. Near the Tom.
They so content I'm assuming
and the wedding ring.
Say uniform. Say the private to coach she be kiss a
one be gra.
No tin I'm assuming sin the
like come there come yes show no makona na yes no ho aba. Job Mr. Billy. Mr. Billy. Hey, come tell us today. Share me. Come down with you.
Yeah, you see the way you give me better love.
Come tell me.
Yeah, the mommy and I want to marry you. Who prayer was.
Come tell I love you.
Kiki ya doso. Be test
me ma wali yo.
When I mean you type. The local rapper never size. What the money no be hype. Oh, Mama Pet would they be do? Let me.
And I'm Mr. Billy so.
Chima come like the Holy Ghost.
I no crowd run. There be what kawane no. Ah, shena pam. Ono de on ro. What's on the day? Visa over can different thing. The car that we are sharing the minimum. They be an account. But oh yeah, bad. Hey, na minimum. Ada wale fu ankasa no mo shaka ni wi ana mo ya bad na say. Hey, ana mo ko hey mo nja wale.
So now she's stepping. I'll see how they boy drop down.
And I mean, I'm 18th year. Brad David is so called. Oh, here, I'm not sure you're so baby. I'm on Wally, I'm different. I'm Wally, I'm on Massa. Mr. Billy. Fish. Nursing, dear Chess. I will look for Okroma, get the whole Ghana. Oh, you're bad at you here.
The woman can. If you do me, I do you.
Once I see the report by say our for Trump now at the end release press release we say no cry survey no na then no cry no that was part of those that wrote the letter okay one more trust I letter no cheetah nursing who ye cheetah you get to see the do me brad nursing who ye cheetah I said you get to see the do me so make you get how I reach say oh wife will show you on Facebook. Can buy with the pa or him papa we a cheetah. But from Monday, next week Monday, The next me can find me on the show so be a oboa. Minim ho she. From next week Monday, the next me can on the show do so be a say Kobna say oboa.
We got plenty things to do.
Onya madamfo. Enya me ni din komo. Oni mi bibia. Nka ma asem nkyere no. Enya adwuma nka oni mi nka me so mi nim no. Ya bed man ye hu ya on kaka ye Charlie to say good morning asa oni mi bibia. Echi do be ka fa me hu bia bosremka. If you do me I do. Or can be kaka na say ayede say me Martin 20 o be ke for Monday. May issue disclaimer. The Obeka family who will show no Zubiano, me pacho, and you no credit. Give it to me. And then there's good morning, keke. Yenya down for Yendimbo Muda. Yentna fa concrete da. So me here see a bedroom, Makuhun on office one me channel. Oh, Charlie to say, oh, we be able to call you in Colano way. Ah, okay, Mate, and one. Fish and so sad. You need any sort of. Friendship will be just colleagues. You go yeah, down for keke, you checha your home keke, you free her and one will be any mobile. You go window. And so better radio suman the year to say Unimia, and I come now you say, and I come now you say, and I come oh boy. Man can do, a woman can do. If you do me, I do you. Man no go vex up on the dance floor. Man no go. Come tell us down church in Old Town. Me na me Old Town there. If you do, come tell us Jaitro. Jaitro. Old Town there.